Do you own a car or maybe a home? Do you owe money on one or both of those? Well, millions of Americans do. And how would you like an easy way to pay off that mortgage 5 years sooner or reduce monthly payments on that car loan by as much as 8 months? Love this. Pay off those big bills faster and eliminate your bill payment hassles. Our next guest is an expert at helping consumers do exactly that, and he's here to tell us how easy this can be. Joining us this morning is David Engelman, CEO for Smart Payment Plan. Good morning, David.
Great, thanks for inviting me.
Thanks for being here. Let's start with kind of like the biggest challenges today that people face when paying their bills. What is it?
First, it's the hassle. You have checks, stamps, envelopes, due dates, late fees.
Keeping track, then you have to pay late fees.
You got it. And then the budgeting aspect. Most Americans get paid twice a month, and their bills are due once a month. And oftentimes those bills are due out of the same paycheck. And it becomes a cash flow issue, paying your rent or mortgage and your car payment, as well as your taxes out of your first paycheck. And so it becomes easier if you break those down into smaller amounts that match your paydays.
And let's be honest, doing that takes a lot of discipline, a lot of responsibility. A lot of people don't have a lot of time on their hands. So you have a service that kind of automates the bill paying process. How does it work? Walk me through it.
What we do is we divide your bill payments into your paydays, and we automatically debit those smaller amounts when you get paid. So for example, the average rent or mortgage is $1,000 and the average car payment is $400.
Okay.
Oftentimes those are due at the beginning of the month. The average American makes about $2,000 per paycheck. And so after the taxes are taken out, and their rent or mortgage and their car payment, they have very little left over to get to their next payday.
That's true.
What we do is we divide those bills in half, match them to coincide with when you get paid, so it improves your cash flow. It balances your cash flow throughout the month and makes it easier. It's an automated process, and so it's a set it and forget it plan. It also pays down your mortgage or pays down your car payment faster. So you're paying your debt off faster, and it's a much easier and more convenient way to pay your bills.
It's almost like having a personalized accountant, if you will.
It is. We're a bill payment service, which means that you can call us at any time, and if you have a hassle or a problem with a bill that's not credited properly, we take care of all that for you. We eliminate your bill payment hassles.
And I can see what they are, but tell me the benefits of doing something like this.
We actually poll and survey our clients, and so they overwhelmingly tell us it's the convenience of having the smaller payments that match their payday, which reduces their financial stress. It balances their cash flow. They have more money throughout the month. They pay off their loans faster, significantly faster on home mortgages and car loans. In addition, they reduce some interest charges. You pay less to the bank, so you save some money. And finally, it just makes their life easier.
You have two taglines that I'd like to read that I love. One says, match it, set it, forget it. And the other one says, let us pay your bills. What kind of feedback are you getting from people?
Well, it's an overwhelmingly positive response. And our clients say things like, we love your service. This has significantly made my life easier. It eliminates the hassles and the headaches that are associated with paying bills.
And I found two here. I'd like to read them if you don't mind to share with my viewers.
Sure.
This is actually from Hazel, and she says, I love Smart Payment because I don't have to worry about paying those bills. Thanks. And this one from Kimberly is really a good one. Love, love, love you guys. You've transformed how I pay my bills and budget my money. I now have more money at the end of each payday to put into my savings account. And for the first time in my life, I've saved over $1,000. Thanks for all your help. I couldn't have done it without you. I mean, that really says a lot, David.
Yeah, and it's overwhelming. The responses are all similar to that. And people are used to paying a bill once a month, but they get paid twice a month. And so it's that matching the smaller payment to the payday that really simplifies everything.
Quick question. If I, for example, have my car payment coming out of my bank account, let's say, and maybe my cable coming out of my checking account, same thing, if you will, how does this work for me?
Yeah, it works for everybody, and the reason is that you let the cable company automatically debit the amount, or you let your mortgage company automatically debit. They're going to debit it when they want it.
Oh, I see.
Not when you get paid,
when I need them
when
to
it's
do it.
best for you. And so what we do is we make your bill payments best for you based upon when you get paid.
Okay.
And they're smaller amounts as opposed to one large payment.
And I know you and your company have won a prestigious award 2 years in a row. Tell us about that quickly.
Leading automotive dealers throughout the nation introduce our service when people are buying cars as an easier way to make car payments to pay those loans off faster. And so those 20,000 leading dealers throughout the country are surveyed, and based upon their responses, we won the Diamond Award, which is the highest award, and it's based upon the value of our service and our customer support.
That's wonderful. All right, so for viewers out there, and I think this can help a lot of people in this country, where can they get more information?
Well, it's just a phone call away. It's 888-88-SMART, or you can find us online at smartpaymentplan.com.
Smartpaymentplan.com.
That's it.
Smart way to go.
Great.
Thank
Thanks,
you so
Olga.
much, David. Thank you for what you do, and it's great information. And if you'd like to get greater details regarding this topic, just visit our website, thebalancingact.com, or get a little bit social. Share with us the frustrations you've had taking care of those monthly bills by logging on to Facebook.com/The Balancing Act Fans.